Welcome into the era of AI. Hello there and welcome in this video in which we're going to discuss Heygen AI avatars. Now Heygen is a software, it's popular, and the best thing it's popular for, and I've used it a couple of months ago because I liked one specific feature about it, is that you can clone yourself. How can I explain myself? You can clone yourself. So you can actually program a clone of yourself to act like you. So in case you're not in office and you want to send out let's just say an announcement to people working in the company, or probably maybe make a promotional video, then you might not basically be in studio, or might not really be interested in being in studio. You might want to use your clone to do your job. So you can type words that you want your clone to say, and your clone is actually going to say exactly what you have typed. And the most important thing of all is that it looks like you, because you program it in a way in Heygen to become you, which means that, let's say you're sitting in an office, you take a recording of yourself sitting in that office talking, and now you have a clone of yourself sitting in the office. So next time, all you need to do is to make yourself that's sitting in the office talk is provide text to video, and not just that, text to video clone. Very advanced, but very expensive, very, very expensive, okay? So we're not going to be using that. We're going to be using the Canva version, which is far behind what I've explained now, because it seems like, I'm talking about some SpaceX stuff, but this version is not so complex. Let's go ahead and use it. So here we are inside of Canva. In order to access the Heygen app, go and search for app in apps for Heygen. It's the Heygen AI Avatars app. And basically, once you're in here, you can choose an AI avatar, or you can actually take a photo and bring it to life. Now, I'm going to choose from the AI avatars that we have right here. So supposing that you want to choose this avatar, you can choose them. You can also select the view mode, whether you want it to be this way, this mode, or this mode. You can also control the background color. So if you'd like the background color to be different, go ahead. And you can also type in whatever it is that you want the person to say. So I'm just going to say something like, "Nice to meet you, I'm your presenter today." And you need to select a specific voice. So in this case, I'm going to click see all, because this is a male. So I'm going to select Ryan, and I'm just going to click use and generate AI video. I'm going to have to connect to my account. And so once you basically have connected, you can proceed. Now I think I'm going to have to do everything all over again. By the way, you can see that I have a clone of myself here, which, by the way, I can make speak instead of the other one. So let me go and do that instead. So I'm going to go ahead for, let's just say, a different voice than this, Ryan. And here I can just go and go back, right? I'm going to go back here and basically, well, come on. I'm going to go here, click see all, click on Ryan's voice I'm going to use. And then now I can go back and just write or just type something. "Nice to meet you." Generate the AI audio. And now it's going to go ahead and basically start generating. So it's asking me to grab a cup of coffee, because, by the way, it takes a lot of time. When it comes to the pricing, it's $89 a month, which is a lot of money, to be honest. They're saying they can create unlimited videos, but pretty much I'm not sure about this. The last time I used them, they were pretty, let's just say, they don't really give you that much credit to use. So I don't really need it now, but for someone that would like to clone themselves instead of recording, they could possibly use this tool. But trust me that they do have a limit. But of course, they have some benefits for the people that think that would use them. So if you're creating short form videos, it's great. But if you're creating long form videos for the long term, if you're creating video tutorials, courses, it's not good because it's just going to be very expensive. You can just record the whole thing instead of relying on AI to do it for you. And there is no better way or no better thing than to record your own videos instead of relying on AI for voiceover. All right, so now I can add this to my design, and please watch this. This is going to be very, very beautiful. Now, it's not my voice. I have my own clone of my voice, but I'm just going to show you what this tool is capable of. So this is me in the studio, and it's my own clone, but I'm going to sound in a different voice. Let me just keep scaling this. I think I'm going to go full screen.
"Nice to meet you. I'm your presenter today."
What do you think about that? Because I think this is really interesting, isn't it? Now, of course, like I said, the only issue is that this could be expensive in the long term. you could find that the $89 plan doesn't do it for you, and you'll have to buy more and more in the same month if you're a creator like me. But I mean, come on. The clone quality is just awesome. And I still do have an account with them, so I can show you what it's really capable of, because we can talk about this. It's one thing, but showing you the potential of a tool is another. All right, so here I am inside of my Heygen account. The only reason I came here is to just revisit my old videos. So if I can go to my avatars or my projects, I think I have some projects that I have downloaded. This is the 5-second one. This is the 27-second one. This is the one we're going to be watching. So I'm going to go and click to watch this. I'm going to go full screen, and let me show you the power of this tool. So this is my own clone. I've actually created a clone of myself. This is not me talking. I just want to make a disclaimer. It's not me. It's my clone.
What you're witnessing might seem too perfect, too surreal, maybe even otherworldly. But here's a challenge for you, the astute viewer. Is what you're seeing crafted by human hands, or is it the meticulous design of cutting-edge artificial intelligence? Are you savvy enough to decipher reality from AI perfection? Dive in and let your intuition guide you.
So you can see that that is actually my own clone, and it looks as good as I do in the videos. So I cannot complain there. And really, it does look real. Okay, so I was tricked by this because I didn't see it for a long time now. But you can see that it really does look real. Or what do you think? I'd like to see your opinion in the Q&A. So hopefully you can use this. And thank you very much. Wishing you the best as always. Passive Income Gen Z signing out.